Just spotted these jeans, and I could definitely see that on like Pretty Little Thing, Topshop. Really wish I could pull something like this off, but how cute are they? They look so like Zara. Look how cute this candle is. That is so cute as well. Hi everyone, it's Georgia and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a new in Primark. So if you can hear the wind outside, it's actually currently Storm Dennis. So we're about to venture out into Storm Dennis, go see what's new in Primark. I literally can't wait. I always get so excited to film this video. I think this video is probably my favourite one to film. I don't know, I just love seeing what's new in Primark. I love having a look around. I literally can't wait to like go around all the sections, show you what's new in. So yeah, that is the plan for today. Also, I wanted to quickly mention that I'm going to try and do these new in Primark videos and also hauls sort of every month and just know what's new in. I love watching new in Primark videos. I feel like because they don't have a website, new in Primark is really the closest thing got to having a look in store before you go. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. If you are new here, I would absolutely love if you would stick around and join the little family by subscribing, and let's just get to Primark. This is the like setup as you first come in. Such a cute bag. Just spotted these jeans, they're actually so nice. I don't think they're exactly the same as the Topshop ones. They're just straight leg jeans. They also have the kind of cut off edge, the same as my Topshop ones do. Straight high leg and also high leg, high waist, and also £15, so over half the price of the Topshop ones. Also just seen this, it doesn't really look very good on the hanger, but I feel like it would be one of those really nice like puff sleeve tops. And this is only £8. That's so cute with that high waisted jeans. So I've literally just spotted the cutest tops. They're like these massive oversized ones. Like great, I just think how cute for like lounging around in, and they're honestly the softest thing ever. They also have one in this really nice green colour. I feel like this is really in fashion at the minute, like the sort of, I was gonna say baby green, like pastel green. I feel like it's really in fashion at the minute, which is so cute. And these tops, honestly, I can't even tell you how soft they are. Like you need to go in the store and like feel one. So the rib ones are like my favourite ones, and they're only £6. I just think to lounge around in, they're so cute, and they're really, really soft as well. They've got loads of different colours. So I'm literally just finding it's such a dupe for like the classic Zara bodysuit. It feels the exact same, the same high neck. I feel like everyone will know which one I mean. The bodysuit that literally every single person owns from Zara. Only £5. And then I also found these, which are like a dupe for the Urban Outfitters ones, if everyone else has seen them. I think these are about £4. Oh, £3. How good is that for summer? £3. I know it's literally way too early for this, but look how cute this beach bag is. I had that one last year, and now I feel like this is just like the upgrade. I absolutely love that. It probably would be about £8. I think that's how much it was. Yeah, £8, that's how much they were last year. But how cute. Also, I feel like this outfit, like these floaty trousers and this little black vest top would be such a cute summer outfit. Like I can just picture that together. I feel like that's the kind of outfit that I'd see someone wearing, but I can't believe that's from Primark, like the whole thing together. Okay, so about to go into my favourite section of Primark. I feel like I say this in every single known Primark video, but the pajama and loungewear section is just blows me away every time. So we're now entering the loungewear section. I'm so excited. I hope I'm going to find some like new bits in, because the last time I found this really, really gorgeous. If you've seen my last one, like really, really gorgeous like white loungewear set. Also this dressing gown is so cute, only £15. It's literally so soft. Oh, I love it. What, I don't know why I've never bought one of these. I always think how good would that be from the shower. Just get out, you don't even have to like put a towel on, just put this on, then you're just good to go around your house, aren't you? I don't know why I've never got one. I've always wanted one. So I may just pick one up today. How much even are they? £7. I mean, I like to lie in my bed for like half an hour after a shower, so I feel like this would be the perfect thing to throw on. I actually really, really like this top as well. You can kind of see the colour how it actually is more on the poster. It just says sleep, a state of mind not to be disturbed, like a long top. I literally just live in long tops in bed, so I think I'm gonna have to pick up that. Also, I feel like this pattern's really, really cute as well. I feel like that reminds me of something El Darby would wear. They also have this, it says sleep a lot, dream a lot, which is cute. Oh my god, this is literally a dream. Look at these. They're like velvety. I don't know how to describe the material, but they're literally the softest things you ever feel. They're like little joggers, and they honestly are so comfy. And they have like the little tight bit around the bottom and the waist. Oh my gosh, I literally love those. How much are they? £8, and they're literally so soft. Oops. Literally just love the loungewear section. Like, it's just the best. I think this is really cute as well, just to like lounge around. It's really comfy, fluffy. Just found slipper flip-flops. A bit confused, don't really know the purpose of these, but I'm showing them anyway because they're pretty cute. Yeah, actually these are a really good idea for when you want comfy shoes in summer, but slippers are too hot. Wow, what an invention. Okay, wow, so just found this section that has like a whole rail of cuffed hem joggers. They have like baby pink, they have this kind of like grey colour, and they're all so soft. How much are they? £6. Like how good. They literally match anything just to like chill around the house in. I'll show you the like bottom of the joggers.
What about these, Jordan?
Look how good.
Look how nice these are. These are...
I also think this set is literally so cute. It has like the little vest top, which is £6. These are all silk, by the way. And then the shorts, oop, drop them. How much are the shorts? £6 as well. And then they've literally got a little robe. How cute is that whole set? So cute. And this is another set which has like the wide leg flowy bottoms. I feel like they'd actually be really nice to go out in. Like, I know they're pyjamas, but those with like a black bodysuit,
Yeah.
they're like silk trousers. They're actually so nice. I feel like these are nice for the evening as well. They have the same exact set in like a camel colour. I don't know how much this set is. I'll have a look. 12 £12. You'd pay that, way more than that, for like a really nice pair of floaty silk trousers. They're so cute. So we're just in the fluffy sock section. I actually love the fluffy socks. They've also started doing these like luxury socks I've seen. I haven't actually had them in yet. They're £3. They kind of feel look different. They're like that. Wait, no, change my mind. Gonna go for the cozy ones. How cute are these? And they're just in my all-time favourite colours, grey and pink. Like, how cute are they? Only £2.50. I feel like these, just a little side note, are like the perfect thing to add to a present. Who doesn't like fluffy socks? My friend Morgs has this makeup bag and she literally uses it all the time. It literally just looks like the perfect makeup bag. It has like the space for your brushes inside. She has it in like pink, but yeah, I just wanted to show you that because I feel like that's such a good makeup bag. I've just had it for like a year. It's still going strong. So we're just looking in the shoes and we've just spotted these, which are literally a dream. They have like a clear heel and also a square toe, like wow. They have them in black and also in like cream. 14, a little bit on the price side, but compared to like Topshop, still so cheap. Just look at these, literally wow. I know I keep saying about this colour, but I'm just obsessed with it at the minute. I'm really hoping these are a 4. They're a 5. Okay, I'm gonna look for a 4, but how cute are they? How much are they? £10. They are like, wow. I feel like that can just add a little bit of green to your outfits. Oh my god, so happy. Found a size 4. Yay. Also, have just found these. Mum actually spotted these and they are literally so nice. They're actually comfy inside and they look so like Zara to me, like, you know, the Zara ones they had in last year, and they look really comfy. And these are also £10. I literally love those. Also, now I've got to the slipper section. I just feel like the Primark slippers, nothing can beat them. I also just saw Laura Gemma Meacham try these on in her recent Primark haul and they are really, really cute. I feel like I need to hold off on the summer shoes for now though. Also these in that green colour I'm literally obsessed with. I feel like I've been in the shoes forever, but I just think the shoes are just, they really are so good today. Now we're heading into the gym wear section. Just gonna have a little look around. I feel like this is so nice, like this and those little cycling shorts. How cute is that gym outfit? Oh, this is so cool, this set as well. This little crop top and those shorts. I just feel like how cool is that as an outfit? If you were brave enough to wear that to the gym, someone do it so I can live through you. Also this, if you're a pink fan, just wow. Also I thought this is really cute if you're going on one of those holidays where it's not too hot, not too cold, and you need something to like throw over your outfit. I feel like that's really cute without the holes in, and they also have it in black as well. Also, yeah, just found this grey cardigan, and this is also size, it's not as long as the other one, but it has like a little tie waist. I feel like that would be so cute on. I have this baby green sort of like set of like wide floaty trousers and like a little blazer. How cute is that? And I feel like this is giving me such Clueless vibes. I feel like I definitely could not pull that off. But again, how cute. Like actually I love these shorts. Like if you were to wear that with like any of the colours in like a tight bodysuit, I feel like that'd be such an outfit. Also how cute, I'm just holding the matching trousers right now, but how cute is that little purse? So cute. And they also have it like in pink and black as well. And they've got like a mini card holder. Sorry, how cute as well is this co-ord? It has this little top, the little shorts, even this little top with just some like white jeans in summer. They don't have my size, otherwise I definitely would have got that because that's literally so cute and it's only £7. I could definitely see that on like Pretty Little Thing, Topshop, that kind of place. Literally love that. And they've also got it in sort of like a reddy pink. I don't really like that colour as much, but this one's so cute. I really wish I could pull something like this off. Like I think this hat's really cool. This is giving me Naomi Jenner's vibes. She always wears this with her little baby, like baby in hand, so cute. These sunglasses are really cool, only £2. So we're just heading up to the home section. Literally love the home section. So we're in the home section. It's now been moved and it's literally like double the size. So anyone comes to Foss Park, literally the home section is honestly massive now. But yeah, just gonna quickly mention these chargers. They're so long, so fab. I literally can't get enough of these chargers. These are the ones I get there. Are they 2 meters? So excited to look at what new lights they've got in this. It's literally so big. I can't cope. I sound like Shanice off Love Island. These are so cute because they've got little starry lights. Yeah, little stars, and then they show you like how the light is. So cute. And they've also got little multicoloured ones. Also, they've got like a new divider and like basket section. I'm in my element right now. The home section is my favourite place. So just gonna get another linen basket because I always have this in my room to like just put my washing in. But the last one I got was from Asda, wasn't as good. It was literally tiny, and I'm not gonna lie, what I do sometimes is like pick the whole linen basket up and just bring it home to do my washing from uni. So I needed a new one because obviously doing that it broke. So I don't know which colour to get. They have black with little pop-up ones. They have this. This would actually match my room quite well because I have a few plants in my room. And then they also just have like plain white, so I can't decide. So I'm now in the blanket. It's my favourite place to be. I just want a new blanket or cushions every time I come in here. But now I'm even more tempted because there's like 100 times more. I just love all the white ones. I just feel like they're so cute. Fluffy ones. They've got ones with like little details. Also they've got little cream blankets. So cute. And then, oh, I love this throw. Look, with pom-poms on it. Wow, that is just so cute. Look at this. As if that's from Primark. It's so cute as well. I feel like that's just such a statement piece for like a bathroom or something like that. And that wooden mirror is really cute as well. Look how cute this candle is. Oh, it smells so nice. It just is like the little wooden decoration. I love that. It's only £4.50. It's my all-time favourite Primark candle. I got this like a month ago and I've just burnt it, so it's literally nearly gone. So yeah, it's only £1.50. I think I'm going to grab a couple because they're so relaxing to have on in the evening. I love the smell. It's like my favourite candle ever. So we're now going to the accessories. I love the accessory section. Here we are. Should we get a face mask to do tonight? Yeah. I literally love the Primark face mask, so we're going to get some to use tonight. How nice are these lashes they have as well. 3D silk ones. They are literally so nice. They're called Baby Doll. 761, in case anyone's wondering what these ones are. They're so nice. Okay, wow, just being really tempted by these suitcases. I absolutely love this grey one with like the nude all round it. Imagine having like a matching mini and big one. So cute. They also have it in pink, which I also really like. And also the sunglasses, can't get enough. These are so cool. These little white ones, love those. And they've got loads of really cool ones. I like these. Those are really nice. And these ones. Found some more gold necklaces. That one I literally love, that heart one, so cute. Only £3 for the whole pack as well. This one's also a really cute pack. I just think with like a plain white vest top and joggers to add like some little jewellery is really nice. That is such a nice weekend bag. Mum has just spotted these. How much are they? 16. That's not even that bad for a whole week. And it also feels really sturdy, like coming back from uni. That'd be really good. Also got it in black and pink. Also just found the cutest bags. Look how cute this is. It's only £5. They've got it in black as well. Just found this outfit by the door as well, which is literally unreal. It's like these leather trousers and they're kind of like creamy colour, and then also this kind of matches, not quite, but I feel like that's such an outfit. Also absolutely love this bag. How cute is this for like a little holiday?
It's like a mini one of them.
I actually love that. This is so cute. This reminds me of like some kind of designer brand, but I'm not sure what it is. Also this is so cute. I feel like it fits with like the fluffy, not fluffy, like the frilly trend going on. That is so cute. So always got to get some Primark bubbles when you come in. They're just the best. Always get the blonde ones. So I'm now back, and Primark was honestly so good. I feel like everyone needs to get there quickly because I feel like they have so much stuff that's like on trend. So much good stuff in there right now, especially the shoes and the bags just were so good. So I accidentally might have brought slightly too much stuff to do like a mini haul at the end of this video. So I'm actually going to film a whole separate haul, and that will be up on my channel on Thursday. So like I said, I'm going to try and do this new in Primark and haul every single month, as long as there's things in there that I like. Absolutely love you to stick around and join the little family by subscribing if you don't want to miss the haul on Thursday and the rest of my Primark videos I'm going to do. I post videos every single Thursday and Sunday, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!